So I have finally cleared the pathway from this mulch going out to the backyard, and I'm trying to make it where this is all level down here, because it was high. It was way up here. You can see the ground level here. It was pretty high, and it was hard to open this gate. So I've been trying to level it out, and I found a brick. Found another brick over here. So I wonder if I dig a little deeper, what else I'll find. You see the roots all growing over it right here. I use the pitchfork to go down and try to loosen up the roots and the dirt. It makes it easier to dig. Leverage is your friend when you're in the garden. When you don't have a lot of muscles, you gotta get stuff done. Using it like this pulls them up. Doesn't take a whole lot of muscle at all. Just lifts them up just like that. And then underneath here, I think there may be another brick. I heard it because I heard it scraping. So let's see if we can find any more treasures. I got my boots on today. There's snakes. I've been seeing a lot of snakes out there, guys. Anthony, thank you again for the boots. Appreciate them. I'm gonna get back to pulling these roots up and see what else I can find underneath this dirt. My house was built in 1969, so I'm sure under these layers of dirt and roots, there's a story that could be told. Oop, I think something under there. Yep, this is what you call time. Yep, all those roots. It took so much time for them to grow. And all that dirt underneath there. See, this is free gardening bricks. Leverage is your friend, guys. Leverage is definitely your friend. Look at that. Another free brick. Just from digging around the yard. Look, there's one there. So I guess, would there be another one here, or did it go too deep? 3 deep. Let me see. We might have another one in there. Yep, one more. Got one more step right there. Cool. So we're gonna get this cleaned off like this. Let's see. So my grandson, he can't open up the screen door, but he can open up this door. So he feels like he's locked in. He says, "You locked me out." I tell him, go through the fence. And it's hard to get through that, and I have someone else that comes back here and helps me with my pool, and that is McBride Pool Services. And I don't even know how she got in last week, but she got in, and I appreciate that. Chrisara and Beja over at McBride Landscaping and Pool Services. You guys are awesome. I appreciate you working around me building all this stuff up around here. Here we go. Just a little bit of leverage, y'all. A little bit of leverage. Because I'm not very big, and it takes a lot of muscle to get this stuff done, which I don't have. But I have leverage. Okay, y'all. This is what I'm doing today. What are you doing today? I'm digging for treasure. Bye. Stay hydrated and count those blessings. Look, 1, 2, 3 blessings so far. Look, we might have some more. All right, stay tuned for the next video and see what we got growing on in the garden. And listen, real quick, I want to show y'all something. See, this is what I'm doing over here. Let's take a look at those tomatoes in the basket. See how they're doing. Oh, look at them. This is a tomato. See, is the light good? Here we go. That's a tomato, and that one is a tomato. Now remember, this came from my compost. This looks like a sweet potato. This, I don't know what that could be. And I don't know what these other ones could be. Well, those might be papaya. I'm not sure. Don't know. But everything is growing great in here. The fan is a great deterrent from the squirrels or anything else that might want to get in here. It's been working well. Y'all go plant some veggies in a basket and go hang your basket outside in a tree and let it grow. That's all I got. Bye.